Tina. Tina? 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 Are you there?
I am here.
How are you? I can't see you.
No puppy allowed.
No Bobby allowed? Why? Where is Bobby?
He's behind me.
Oh, then why did you say no Bobby allowed? If he's just behind you.
He is going to come to you.
He wants to say, hello, teacher. Okay. So, did you eat your dinner already, Tina? Oh, what did you eat for dinner? Are you sleepy? Why are you closing your eyes?
A bit sleepy.
Oh, a bit sleepy. Why? Are you tired?
No.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay, but tired though. Maybe you're bored. Okay. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat for dinner, Tina?
I eat.
You ate
I ate rice
what else?
with some duck.
Oh, with some dogs? Okay, that's delicious. Did your mom cook it?
Of course. No, not yet. I'm not finished yet.
Okay.
And eggs. That and and some of the I don't know what that's called, but you can search it in Vietnamese. It is gà bông. I'll search it for you. I'll message it for you.
Okay. So you have a very delicious dinner and your mom made it all. Did you help your mom? No. Why did you learn? Oh no, you did not as well. Okay, chabon. What is it? I'll just search it directly. What is this?
Yeah, it's that one.
But I don't know what this is. Wait, let me translate it.
We can put it. We
Cotton?
always put bông
Cotton?
cà. It's not bông cà. It's cà bông. This word
Wait.
must be front.
Oh, shredded pork. Okay, so it's pork. Shredded pork. Ah, okay. That's yummy.
We can put it on sticky rice.
Oh, okay, I see. And even on the bread.
Of course.
Oh, I see. Because we don't usually do it here in the Philippines, Tina. But yes, of course, I believe it's delicious. Very yummy. Okay.
Very.
So you are full now, very full. You're still hungry? Oh no, too. Okay. Now, Tina, do you have anything to share or no more?
More.
More. Like?
Can I learn some of your language?
Okay, I'll teach you Tagalog. Okay, I'll teach you Tagalog. Tagalog is the national language of the Philippines, Tina.
Hello. Okay.
Okay, so you can say, but you know it already. In Cebuano, you'd say maayong gabi, right? But in Tagalog, you would say magandang gabi.
Can you write it? Magandang.
Yes, it's magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Yes, it's good evening. And if you want, okay, mahal kita. What is it in Vietnamese?
A boy love a girl.
Yes, it's I love you, right? I love you. Okay, that is mahal kita. Okay. Now, Tina, we'll proceed to your book. Okay, wait. We'll proceed to your book. So in here, we have a story about a walk in the mountains. Have you tried walking in the mountains? No, not yet. Okay, so maybe in the future, Tina, when you are older, do you like walk? Do you like to walk? No. No, and at the same time, yes. I'm confused. Okay, so can you read it, Tina?
No puppy allowed now.
No, Bobby allowed. Bobby! Oh, where is Bobby? No, Bobby allowed. But I saw him. Bobby! Bobby!
Okay.
Bobby? 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 No, Bobby allowed.
Tina. What did bấm đi. Bấm.
Okay, so cute.
Bobby loves this.
Oh, really? I think you love that, not Bobby. Okay, wait, let me share my screen now.
I think Bobby loves this.
No, that's a poop. That's a poop.
He loves it.
Okay.
I said, do you like? I said in Vietnamese, do you like poop? Then Bobby shook his head like this. Means yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Okay, let us start now. Tina, let's focus. Okay, so can you read the story for me?
Read the story for you. Whoa!
Why?
There's a window in front of me. Then Bobby opens it long. Then he puts his head out. I'm scared that he will fall down.
Oh, okay. So careful. Tina, you can close it. You can close it. It's okay now?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, let us start reading the story.
A bull takes Bobby away now. So my name is Ben.
Okay. Do you want me to zoom it in?
What? Zoom it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Start now.
My name is Ben. On Sunday, Dad drove me, my little sister Ellen, and my dog Pat to the mountain. We stopped in a village and put on gloves and scarves because the mountain's air was very cold. Helen put her favorite doll in her coat pocket.
And
And we started to walk. At midday, we found a lovely sunny place. For lunch, we had sandwich and lemonade. We looked at the beautiful mountain. After that, we walked into the dark forest. When we came out, we were at the top of the mountain. There were some high rocks there, which we tried to climb, but Dad told us to stop because it was dangerous. Then some black clouds came over the mountain, and the weather got colder. We started to walk down, and suddenly it started to snow. We went back through the forest, and then Helen said, "I've lost my doll. We must go find it again." "No," Dad told her. "We must get back to the car." Quickly, Helen cried, but we had to go. After another hour, we arrived in the village, but where was Pat? We called his name, but he didn't come. Then Helen shouted, "He's found my doll!" Pat ran to us with the doll in his mouth. Helen was very happy. "Good job," we all said.
okay, very good, Tina. Now in here, you have to fill in words to complete the sentences about the story you read just now. Like, for example, Ben's dog is called Pat. Okay, the mountain air was cold. So they all wore gloves and scarves for their walk. Okay, now what about for the first one, Tina? Helen walked with her blank in her coat pocket.
Helen walked with her doll in her coat.
Okay, yes, very good with her doll. Okay, what about for two?
They stopped and ate sandwich and drank lemonade for lunch at midday.
Very good, Tina. Okay, three now.
After lunch, they went through a through a through a tunnel.
Is it a tunnel? No, it's not a tunnel, right? It's a. Can you remember it or no? Po. It has a lot of trees.
Forest.
Yes, forest. Okay. 4.
They had to stop climbing up some rock because
Very good.
it was
Yes.
dangerous.
Yes, some
When they
rocks.
were walking down the mountain, it began to snow. Helen cried when she couldn't find her doll. Helen was happy at the end of the story because Pat found her doll.
Okay. Yes, very good, Tina. All correct answers. You found item 3 difficult, but yes, you're still able to answer that one at the end. Now, let us have this one. Okay, so in here you have to read and choose the right words. Okay, write them on the lines. Tell me if you find it difficult so I can show you the options, okay? Okay. Are you okay? Why are you acting like that, Tina? I think you're really sleepy now. Okay, so the first one, you can fly.
Mommy.
What? You're being naughty.
Not naughty, but my mom do that means she still love me, not hate me. That she's loving me. Not
Ah,
not she's angering me. She's scolding me.
okay. Of course, your mom loves you, Tina, always. And that is for sure. So, in here, all you have to do is to read the text and tell me the missing words. Are you ready? Ready now?
You can fly to places all over the world, from airports, planes, and helicopters. Live and arrive. Hmm. So, this day you
It's not
have
it's not this day, Tina. They live and arrive blank day. How often? How often?
many days.
Every day. Okay, it's every day, right? There's a flight every day. So continue. You often.
You often take a plane from an airport when you go. When you go to a, a, a country on
Is
holiday,
it you want to go to a country to another?
take a plane from the airport when you go to. Is it another right?
Oh, okay. To the next one.
Okay, some people go to airports because they uh what you
They
wanted to because they
because they
like to like to watching planes
no, we
there.
can say they like to watching. It's like to watch, Tina. In here, okay, I'll show you the options, Tina. Is it enjoys, enjoy, or enjoyed?
enjoyed watching airplanes there.
Okay, it's just enjoy, Tina, not enjoyed because it's not in the past, right? This is present simple.
Not that because I'm saying enjoy like that, but I got hiccups.
Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know. Now, what about for 4? You can get to airports.
By bus, taxi, or car. Sometimes you go there to meet friends who are arriving from another place. In most airports, there are shops, cafes, and hotels. People always buy things before they get on an airplane. These things are usually cheaper in airports and in other shops.
Is it? Is it? These things are usually cheaper in airports, blank in other shops. We're comparing it. We're
Not
comparing.
in
It's
not
sevens. That, than, or then.
than other shops. You have to wait in a place called departure
Lounge. Lounge.
lounge before you fly. A lot of people
Works, working, or work.
works in airports.
Is it works?
Work?
Yes. It's just work because we have here a lot of people, right? People have to clean them.
People have clean them all the time because they are very big and a lot of people use them. You can see pilots there too. They are so they are called policemen and
Is it there is it there are called policemen, policewomen? Okay, I'll show you the options, Tina. They are twice also or together.
They are also policemen and policewomen and mechanics who work on the airplanes before they fly.
Very good. Okay, there you have it. I'm really happy that you're able to answer most of it without depending or watching to the given options here. Well done, Tina. Now, in here, I want you to write the diary. Do you write diaries or no?
Sometimes
Oh, just sometimes. Okay. Now, in here, I want you to tell me the missing words. We don't have options here.
okay.
You can start now.
Yesterday I went to the zoo with Fred and Mom. It was a wet day, but we enjoyed it. We saw a lot of different kind different animals. For example, elephants, giraffes, dolphins, hippos, kangaroos, and tigers. The best part was the children's zoo
Blank were pets and cows.
Were pets and they were pets and
There,
cows.
not they, there.
There were pets and cows, sheep and goats. I want to take a photo of Fred with the goats. When I was doing that, a goat started to eat Fred's rucksack. Goats uh,
It's or
goats
are.
are always hungry and they eat everything. Fred do not like them now.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Thank you so much. Yes, bye-bye. Good night. Tina, see you tomorrow.
Mayang gabi, teacher.
Bye-bye, Tina. Maayong gabi.
Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye.
Amping.